Guys, welcome back to video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the simplest, easiest way to make thumbnails and how I'll make my thumbnails for my critical ops videos and videos on YouTube. I haven't been, you guys know how, it's been tough, you know what I'm saying? I haven't had as much time to make videos on my main channel, but I'm out there trying. But this is one of my videos that's for this channel, right? As I said, this channel, you guys are going to be seeing interesting content, right? I guess. And this is one of those videos which are just, I guess you could say not good enough for the main channel, or at least I don't feel like there's really much of a reason to put it on my main channel. But for this channel, it's going to show you guys how I can make my thumbnails and how, as a YouTuber, you can make thumbnails easily that look decent. You know what I'm saying? I think these thumbnails look okay. They do the job, and I had a lot of videos get a lot of views with these thumbnails. You know, I think they do the job well, and it's very easy to make these thumbnails, which is why I like them, And of course, there's nothing bad about trying your hardest, trying a lot to make thumbnails, but I feel like people try too hard. Like, I think the point of the thumbnail is just to basically bring attention to the video and just get the person to click it. Uh, you know what I'm saying? But they're not that. I mean, they're people would say they're pretty important. Well, they are, but when it comes to critical house and when it comes to a lot of people make thumbnails, they try to make it like very, very, like in an art type of way. But I feel like if you enjoy that, if you like that, if you know that, if you know how to do that, then I highly recommend that, right? But if you don't, well, and if you're just a normal person like me who isn't that good at that stuff and just wants to make some thumbnails that are gonna bring some attention and gonna just make the channel look a little bit better in the videos, you know, this is just the way. So for example, I just got a random picture from Google, which I found, and what I'm saying, I downloaded that picture, and then I can add a picture right here, for example, you know what I'm saying. You can add pictures, so if you go back. So you can go like that basically, right? You start off like this. The app is called PixArt. PixArt. You can get the app for free on Google Play Store. I don't know about iOS, but basically any app that's just gonna let you put in some pictures is good enough. So you know what I'm saying. You just simply put the text right there. Uh, you know, like this. You know what I'm saying. You might go in with a font. Depends what font you want, and then you guys can go in with just make it, be sure to add the background of the font, and there you go. You got a decent looking thumbnail already, but then you kind of want to add an extra picture somewhere, for example on this side of the wall, something interesting, so you could get creative, and add something there that you guys see. Maybe some meme, I mean not meme, but just something that looks funny, or just simply critical ops logo, which just is going to bring attention to people that this is a critical ops video or whatever. You know what I'm saying? um I do want to make my videos a little bit more funny, I guess. I mean thumbnails, you know I do want to make my thumbnails a little bit more funny. You know what I'm saying? That's a good way to bring attention. Just make them look kind of dumb. You see a lot of thumbnails out there, of people, they don't really put that much effort on them. They just make something funny. They just screenshot a funny face. You know what I'm saying? That's what I noticed with some YouTubers, and it works, it's funny. So I think you don't need to overthink too much when it comes to thumbnails. As long as you're making cool videos, as long as you know, what I'm saying, as long as you got a thumbnail that looks okay, then I think you're good. But it depends, you know what I'm saying, especially if you're looking to make money out of YouTube. Of course, something like this might be a little bit more. If you're looking to actually, I guess, make a lot of income from YouTube, I guess. But this channel is just a gaming channel, so I don't take that seriously. You know what I'm saying? And I think I like these thumbnails overall, you know. So anyways, like, share, and subscribe. That's basically how I make my thumbnails. You basically download pictures from Google. You download the pictures from Google, or you can screenshot the picture from Google. So you go to Google, and you go to Google, for example, and you can go like that, download image, or if you don't, you can screenshot it. Screenshot, you know what I'm saying? Screenshot that picture, go over here, and then go over here, and then crop it. And you can basically like crop out all the parts until you get to the picture. And next thing you know, that's how you get a picture. That's something that I used to do a lot, um, because it was a lot kind of simpler. What like sometimes you just I couldn't download the pictures, so that's what I'll do, you know. Or when I want certain parts of certain thumbnails that you can find on the internet, or certain parts of certain pictures, you know what I'm saying, you can just crop it, and you know what I'm saying, be able to have something that looks cool, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Pretty cool. But anyways, like, share, and subscribe. Um, and goodbye.